Hello, what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to discuss that how to change the startup sound for your Windows 11. So basically in the previous versions of Windows 7 or Windows 8 you would go to your control panel, and under sound, hardware and sound, and inside sound you could just simply go and edit or change the sounds for the device, right? So now what has happened in these updates is that you can't make the changes now. You can't change startup sound for your PCs like that. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. So as you can see on the screen there are two files. We're going to use these two. So basically the links in the description. This audio file isn't specifically that you need to use, but it's my choice. So you would need to go to the link that I've shared in the description, and let me go back and show you. So what we need is we need to basically download this app, right? Application on our window. It's not that big of a size, and what we're gonna do is we are gonna launch this app. It's gonna ask for admin privileges. We're gonna say yes, and yeah, here it is. Now you will see bunch button there. It's very simple, to the point app. There is play, replace, restore, and exit. You play it, it's gonna play the sound of your system that you have right now. Now there's replace. When you click here, it's going to tell you to browse and select the file that you want it to replace with. So basically there's a link in the description if you want to use this one specifically. It has the archive of all the sounds that Windows has used till this point. So the one I want to go with is Windows XP, right? I want to bring back that nostalgic feeling where you play it and it gives you that feeling of, right, yeah, like where you belong, right? So now the thing I want to do is I want to download it in WAV. Just remember that you need to download it in WAV format, not in MP3, right? Once you download that, it's going to look something like this. Now what we're going to do is we are going to click on replace and then go to our desktop. Mine is on my desktop, so I'm going to go here and just select that file as I can see, OXP, so I can just click. Right, now remember one thing, don't panic. When we play the sound or when we replace the sound, this app kind of freezes. You don't need to worry about that. When you are playing the sound, it'll freeze, but you don't need to like click a lot at a time on the app. You don't want it to crash, just wait for it, it'll go back into normal form, and then you just like, see, now it's working well. And now when you play the sound, basically now you have replaced the sound for your startup. Now if you don't want it to be this one, you made a change and now you aren't liking it, you can just always go back and restore it. It'll always create a backup for the sound that you have like replaced it with. There's always going to be the default welcoming sound or the startup sound for your PC right there. So yeah, you can just go along and basically change the audio to your likings. If you want to customize your PC to something that you want to make it look or feel like, yeah, you can do that by simply using this app and changing the startup audio, of course, and for the rest, yeah. So that's how you do it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If there was something that you want to clarify, drop it down in the comment section. I will get back to you guys as soon as possible, and yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.